What's going on YouTube? This is Brandon and Kevin with our first box break. So we was going to do it at 5. It's 5 o'clock. So I'd like to congratulate everybody who won the eBay auctions. I'd like to especially congratulate Terry, Dennis, and Craig. 4 and 5 wins apiece. So congratulations to you guys. Something we're going to be doing with every box break is we're going to give out a special card. As you know, that you're not guaranteed to win something out of this box, but you will get something nice. Where's that Matt Holliday? So it's going to be Dennis this week is going to get this Matt Holliday numbered 36. Because we are sorry that you lost Albert Pujols. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. David, this knife is not sharp. Albert Pujols and Tony La Russa in the same year. Jeez. Rough year for the Cardinals. Oh yeah, before we start this, some of the rules we want to go over. The team listed on the card is the team it goes to. So if it's like an old school card and the team's not there anymore, it will go to the team that it's affiliated with, you know. And then we're going to go with if it's a multiplayer card, we're going to go with the team on the far left or the team on the top. So those are our rules. Let's get started. Johnny Bench, number 1500. Matt Holliday, number to 1500. There you go. You got 2 Matt Hollidays there, Dennis. McCutcheon, number to 1500. Now we got Marlon Byrd, number to 99. Gray jersey, auto, right there. Check that out. Okay. Now we got a Joe Mauer, number to 16. Number to 18? 16? 18. Joe Mauer, AL MVP 09, 365 batting average. So, there's that. Jason Hayward, number to 625. That's ours. And Brooks Robinson, number to 625. So there's that. Who's that Mauer going to? Twins Terry. Congratulations, that's a good looking card. Now we've got number 1500, Mariano Rivera. Number to 1500, Tris Speaker. Number to 1500, Mike Schmidt. And then this is a Gabby Sanchez jersey card, on-card auto. It's got some stripes on there. Stripe on all of them. You can't really see that stripe. But that's numbered to 99. Good looking card right there. So, wow. Cardinals. Rogers Hornsby, numbered to 27, bat. Dennis, man, cleaning up. Wow, that's a good looking card right there. Ryan Braun, numbered 249. And Joe Morgan, numbered to 625. So there's that. There are hits. Get on there on those hits. Congratulations to everybody, especially Dennis, man. You cleaned up pretty good there. We're going to be breaking another box pretty soon, so pay attention.